My name's John Ashley with Prestige Curb Appeal. We do residential and commercial pressure washing. We do everything from roofs, houses, and driveways. Commercial-wise, we do shopping centers, parking lots, everything, you name it. It really helps and makes you feel good and increases the property value. Give me a call, 865-621-1004. We'd love the opportunity to give you a quote, come out and see your house, even look at your driveway.
All right, good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Sure hope you have a great day. We are talking about waves of energy heading our way to produce severe weather, or the potential anyways, for some strong to severe thunderstorms. I want to start you off actually this morning with those waves of energy. We're looking at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. Watch as these little areas of yellows and orange start to slide our way. There's one wave, here's another wave, here's Saturday, here's another wave, into Sunday, here's another wave. So we've got this parade of waves that's going to swing on through. And as we progress through the week, our environment, our atmosphere is conducive to produce severe storms. So the Storm Prediction Center has put us under a risk level of a 1 and 2 today and tomorrow. Saturday into Sunday, much more the same. And then Sunday into Monday, we have a big area of isolated strong or severe thunderstorms. So let's walk you through the forecast. Friday through Sunday, damaging wind, torrential rain, by the way. We've got a water-loaded atmosphere and a tornado potential, but that's not the major player. Flooding and flash flooding is going to be a concern as each wave progressively, moves through the area. So we start the morning off on the mild side, or actually the warm and muggy side, I should say. We're in the 60s and 70s. We've got the fuel. Dew points have climbed into the 60s, and dew points could climb a little bit more as we progress through the day today. So here's that risk level by the Storm Prediction Center. Most of East Tennessee is under a level 2 risk by them. When you break it down into the different categories, I'm basically going from 2 p.m. in the peak heat of the day through about midnight tonight. There is a chance for some overnight storms, but I think after about midnight, everything kind of quiets down. Not likely for today when we're talking about tornado potential. Damaging winds will be the main threat. Hail's really not likely as well. Freezing level's way too high, but that allows for very heavy rainfall. So a water-loaded atmosphere is going to lead to torrential downpours. Let me walk you through the futurecast. We pick up our timeline this morning. We'll see increasing clouds. As we get into the lunch hour, we may have a couple of spotty showers and thunderstorms starting to fire up through 3 o'clock. Again, I'm not expecting a lot of severe weather potential until we get into the evening hours after peak heating of the day. So around 7 o'clock here tonight, here comes that wave of energy sliding on through with another wave as we get closer to midnight that also could produce some severe storms. And again, these waves are tough to forecast. They're tough to kind of really see the motion as they push their way through the atmosphere. But either way, they're going to come on through. We're likely to pick up anywhere from a half an inch to well over an inch to maybe pockets of 2 inches of rainfall just through tomorrow morning. Forecast high temperatures still trending above average. We're going to be in the mid to upper 80s. All right, let's move on. We'll take it to Saturday. So Saturday to Sunday, we have a level 2 risk for all of East Tennessee. A little bit of a greater risk when we're talking about a chance for an isolated tornado or two. So there is a chance for that. Everything else stays the same. Again, heavy rain. Day after day, wave after wave will continue to lead to the potential for some flooding and flash flooding concerns. So Saturday morning, we're probably on the wet side, but not necessarily the rainy side. And then as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, here comes that next little wave of energy sliding its way on through, producing the possibility of severe storms. And then even as Saturday night into Sunday morning, another wave swings on through, making for yet another soggy start to our Sunday morning. So when you add up today, tomorrow into Sunday morning, look at how much rainfall we're talking. We're talking anywhere from 1, 2, maybe pockets of 3+ inches of rainfall just through Sunday morning. But again, even as we progress through Sunday afternoon, isolated showers and thunderstorms will fire up that could become strong or severe. So elevated rain chances all the way through the weekend. Next week, they'll kind of fade away. So that's good news to pass along when you look at your 7-day forecast. Severe storms today, tomorrow, isolated in nature on Sunday, and then isolated afternoon thunderstorms with more seasonable temperatures as we get into next week. Don't forget to scan the QR code at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Download the East Tennessee Weather app, allow notifications and location services. Therefore, the app travels wherever you go. You'll get watches and warnings from the National Weather Service. You'll get push alerts when I do live severe weather coverage, if I need to do that at all today. And of course, you can check in on your daily forecast weather updates as I refine and fine-tune the forecast all through the weekend and every single day. In the meantime, have a great day. We'll leave you with a live look in downtown Gatlinburg at 6 o'clock this morning. Wow, what a great start to the day. See you back here soon.